Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide sensitive content in the Axe app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Axe app. And here it usually opens up in the feed where we have the posts from the people that we follow. Now we can just swipe to the right, scroll down, tap on settings and support, and then go into settings and privacy. Here we scroll down again and go into privacy and safety. Now in this section we can tap on content you see, and here tap on search settings. Here at the top we find hide sensitive content, and if we have this button turned on, it means that the app is going to hide content that is labeled sensitive from us. And if it is turned off, then the app isn't going to hide any kind of content from us. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.